The directions say find the measures of angle A and angle B, and the figures in problems 15 and 16 show regular polygons. And again, regular polygons are polygons whose angles are all equal and whose sides are all equal. So my first thing that I want to do is find out what angle A is. And I know that because it's regular, all of my angles have to be the same. So my first step is I want to figure out what is the sum of all of these angles. So what type of shape is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a six-sided polygon, or a hexagon. So I'm going to take 6 minus 2 times 180 using my formula. So 4 times 180, we get 720. So the sum of all of these angles is 720. So if I divide that by how many angles there are, or 6, then I get 120 degrees for each angle. So every single angle is going to be 120 degrees. So A is 120 degrees. So then to get B, which is on the outside, I know that A and B are supplementary because together they make a straight angle. So I know that these are supplementary. So all I need to do is take 180 minus 120, and then we get 60 degrees for B. So A is 120 degrees, and B is 60 degrees.